Hi, Michael.
I have two on docket today. The first is Miss Taylor.
In jail or on bond?
She's on bond.
Come up, Miss Taylor. I expect that you will comply with the bond conditions, and when you don't, there are serious consequences. As a condition of your bond, you're not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and I'm going to randomly test you. I also don't want you to have contact with the co-defendant, and I don't want you to go back to this nursing home. It's not an answer. The other gentleman that got arrested for the same exact thing.
That's my brother.
Okay, I don't want you to have contact. I mean, do I not have to tell you how you're on bond for 2 serious cases now? And it's just I'm going to protect my city at all costs. I don't care who you are. Just if I find that you're a danger, I'm going to revoke it. I'm going to make it sky high. Do you understand? Yes or no? I'm going to test you within the next couple of weeks. Don't use. You must stay in contact with the lawyer. If he tells you that he cannot get a hold of you because you're ducking and dodging phone calls, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. If you pick up a new case, likewise, I will revoke this bond and I'm going to make it high. That's fine. For now, we'll have you meet with Roxanne to get your bond conditions and then we'll let you go.
Your Honor, the felony court has a curfew that allows her to work. She does DoorDash. The curfew upstairs is from midnight to 6 a.m. because she does DoorDash in the evening. Would this court let its bond condition?
Curfew is what time?
Midnight to 6 a.m.
She's allowed to drive from midnight to 6 a.m.?
No. She stops driving.
So the
11-ish.
curfew is from 6 p.m.
No, from 12 midnight to 6 a.m. is her curfew in the felony court because she drives at night. And she stops around 11-ish.
On her license to see if she has a license. So you're telling me that she can be out from midnight? What hours do you
home
work?
by midnight?
Yeah, I have to be in the house by midnight.
Yes, sir.
Judge, it's a different page that typically comes up. This says suspended.
I never had a license in Texas. My license is from North Dakota.
They're showing it's suspended.
Shouldn't be. I paid all my reinstatement fees already.
Take a look, please. Can you help us out? Just to make sure. Especially if she's door dashing.
Yeah, we're seeing driver's license, non-commercial status suspended.
Say it again?
It says, driver's license, non-commercial status suspended.
Your license is suspended, man.
They
You're
should
not
be.
allowed to drive. I'm telling you, they're looking it up and they're telling you it's suspended.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, for us, it says suspended. I mean,
Okay, you're not allowed to drive. If you want to drive, get their license reinstated, and we can take the condition off. If you're
I already took care of it. So maybe you just haven't updated, but I took care of the reinstatement already.
just don't drive. If you drove here, you're not allowed to drive home. I'm sorry. Your license is suspended. And then before you also drive, you must maintain liability insurance as well. So don't until let us know. I'm making it a bond condition that you're also not allowed to drive. When you get it, or if you get it reinstated, if you get it fixed, come back, let us know. We can take this condition off. All I'm asking you to do is follow the law. I'm not asking you to do anything, Pythagorean's theorem or anything. Just follow the law. Don't endanger my city. That's all I'm literally asking. Really. We're going to have you sign a receipt with Victoria. We'll have you meet with Roxanne for your bond conditions, and then you're free to go.
Your Honor, currently she has 2 different curfews in 2 different courts. Would this court mirror the felony courts?
She's not going to be working now. She's not going to be working at night now. And she's got a very serious open felony case. She's not picked up an assault. I'm not going to let you be out at night.
That's
No.
not the only reason why I had the curfew though. I have kids that have after school
But
programs.
you can't do this stuff. You don't have a license.
Everything doesn't consist of me driving. That's not why the only reason why they mirrored that. I share literally everything with my mother. So she helps me get my kids back and forth to school. She helps me get my kids back and forth when it comes to their after school programs and things like that. She lives on completely the opposite side of town. So every time we try to do everything, I'm never going to make it in the house by 7 o'clock. That's the whole reason why they extended it.
Okay. Look, I'll give you till 10 o'clock at night. Okay. Just be home by 10. That's it.
And of course, getting the kids to school in the morning, I think that's why they
Yeah.
did 6,
I'm okay.
10 to 6,
10 to
Judge.
6.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay with that? Just don't be a danger to my city. That's all I'm literally asking. Okay?
Are you ready for?
What are you doing with yourself these days? Do you work?
Yes, sir. Apprenticeship right here in Elton Automotive.
Work, put in a lot of time, get as much as you can get going so you can start making money. No more foolishness. You understand? I'm putting a monitor on your ankle so I know that you're not drinking. Don't pick up any new cases. I don't want you out in the middle of the night. So you will also get a 10 p.m. curfew to 6 a.m. No alcohol, no dope. And I'm telling you, I'm going to test you like crazy. Does he have a license, state? I don't think he has a license, right? We do. Michael, do you know if he has a license?
Yeah, I know.
If you have a license and if you're driving, I want proof of that you have car insurance first before you start driving. You can't drive unless you have car insurance in your name. You understand?
Your Honor, it is on.
Great. All right. So what we'll do is I'm going to have you sign conditions with, sign a resale with Victoria. We'll have you sign conditions with Roxanne and then you're free to go. Don't pick up a third case, man. Don't. All right.
Judge.
Judge, are we doing, random,
Yeah, randoms, GPS, and a scram, curfew 10 p.m. to 6 a.m.
Okay, yes, sir.